I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fixing what matters: your headline, photo, and about so prospects recognize value immediately. Once done, send 10-15 targeted connection requests daily with a 1-2 sentence personalized note explaining why you matter. Make sure to enable open profile and add contact options so interested buyers can reach you without barriers. Do this now to unlock outreach. It reduces friction and increases reply rates because people see relevance and clear next steps. You now scale by combining content with systematic outreach. First, publish pillar posts addressing top buyer pains once weekly, then repurpose into short posts and messages. Next, execute a 5-step message cadence: connection, immediate value, social proof, soft ask, and follow-up. Space messages 3-7 days apart. Make sure to use saved searches and tags to segment prospects. And review performance weekly, so you can drop low-performing copy and double down on what converts. You finish by closing the loop. Qualify leads with 3 rapid discovery questions, then book a demo or schedule a call. Once done, log every interaction into your CRM and update stage immediately so nothing slips. If response rates are low, troubleshoot by /B testing your opening line, adjusting your value offer, and tightening cadence to 24-48 hours between touches. Measure changes and iterate. Consistent tracking and quick experiments drive steady improvement and predictable pipeline growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.